Hello students, good morning to all. I hope that you all are safe at your homes. In the last class, we have discussed the question answers of poem number 1, The Noble Nature, and I hope that all of you have got my point very well and all of you have done your homework. Now we are moving to the next poem, poem number 2, and today in this class we will discuss the 5 questions of the poem, the short question answers of the poem. In the poetry section, only the short questions are asked in the board exam, especially 10 to 15 and 30 to 40. That's why we are not moving to the section of 60 to 80 because those questions are not asked in the board exam. आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं द पोएम ए बॉयज सॉन्ग कंपोज बाय W. Gibson, Wilfred Wilson Gibson, one of the well known poet of England. Clear? Now we are going to start the question answers of especially B section. Now listen carefully the video. Why do all the birds belong to the poet? Why does the poet feel that all the birds of the air belong to me? The answer is the poet does not set any snare to catch the birds. He advocates. Advocates means favors. He favors the freedom of every creature on the earth, and he leaves the birds to fly freely in the sky, to enjoy the freedom in the sky, and in this way the poet feels that all the birds that are enjoying that freedom in the air belongs to the poet. By caging the birds, यानी किसी भी बर्ड को केज में रखकर, by caging the bird we can own only 1 or 2 particular birds. Okay, this is the answer of question number 1. Now we are moving to the second question. And what is the second question? Why are the birds able to come and go for the poet's joy? Why are the birds able to enjoy their freedom? Both the birds, both means both the birds, the eagle and the blue-tit are able to enjoy their freedom because they are uncaged. Whenever they want to come, they can come, and whenever they want to go, they can go. Their freedom has not been restricted because they are not caged. And whenever they come and go, the poet feels a special kind of feeling of happiness, and he feels very happy because both the birds are free to enjoy their freedom, are free to make their activities. Okay, this is the answer for second question. Now we are moving to the third question. Which birds does the poet mention in the poem in particular? Particularly कौन से birds को mention किया है poet ने अपनी poem के अंदर? Clear? The poet has mentioned 2 different birds from the nature. One, a small sparrow, the named blue-tit, and the second one, the eagle. And what is the similarity between both the birds? The similarity between the birds, both are uncaged, both are free to move anywhere, both are free to enjoy their activities, both are free to enjoy their freedom. Clear? The poet has mentioned 2 different birds from the nature. One is a small sparrow, blue-tit, that is sitting on a plum, and the eagle that is flying high in the sky. And what is the similarity? The similarity between the birds, both are uncaged and both are free to enjoy their movement, activities and freedom. Now the fourth question for you. What does the expression sunward way? This word is highlighted in the poem mean. The sunward way means very high in the sky towards the sun. When the eagle is flying high in the sky, the poet feels that he is also riding on the eagle's wing towards the sun. It means he is also riding on the eagle's wing towards the sun. The sunward way means very high in the sky, especially towards the sun. Now the fifth question for all the students. What is the theme of the poem? We have discussed in the last poem also. What is the theme of the poem? The poem is about nature's precious gift, freedom. The poet advocates the freedom of every creature on the earth. The poet advises or makes an appeal to everyone, to the human being, that we should not snatch the freedom of any creature on the earth. The poem also explains the bond of love of the poet between him and the birds. He has great love for the birds. He has a great bond of love with the birds. This is the theme of the poem. That's all for today. Have a nice day.